Ebushan for me sans mo we akwa shonko pesa we on the new TV studio. Say na your first time on the new TV. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment it. And your comment section so click on the notification button for more news updates. See and in the case of Asante Berko, former appointee love, and your former President John Dramani Mahama about some certain bribe case be. Nebusha for sa case way there a mood because enye ha any even the apex court in Ghana crano enye one year kasase way. But ye kasase way wo the United States of America. Eho ena ye disase way. Nebusha for finally court as a kwasitna about this particular case. Now all the details, all the information that you need ebusha for mako pedia bro. Na mesho so benya abocho benya adaje pa na ya hwesisi a case of Asante Berko or the former president John Dramani Mahama baby a case no e shift ko direction kra e ko no mesho so benya abotre na chese wachi no wahu nsem potin na chese obi busa wa onso wahu ne obeka atwere no nse bebre na e ko so e we ye manga na mate enti no mesho so subscribe to Ordinary TV, like your comment e we your comment section use click on the notification button for more news updates. Écoutez Masisia, Medas.
Of violating the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act and one count of conspiring to commit money laundering. If convicted, he faces a maximum penalty of 20 years in prison for conspiring to commit money laundering and 5 years in prison for each count of violating the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act and conspiring to violate the Foreign Corrupt Practices Act. Now, enuanom a ewo case nim nie, your Principal Deputy Assistant Attorney General Nicole M. Agentieri, your Head of the Justice Department Criminal Division U.S. Attorney Brian Peace, your the Executive Assistant Director of the Eastern District Court of New York, your Michael Nordwall, and after your FBI's Criminal Cyber Response and Services Branch Director, your Anthony Machiavelli. After your Trial Attorney, Elena A. Robin Smith, and your U.S. State Attorneys Alexandra Smith, Tara McGrath, Jessica Weigel. Afe yewo the U.S. Justice Department Office of International Affairs Panyinipa Susan Wemela. Ti wemuni penifo a omo associated with the criminal trial of Asante Berko. Now, let's zoom straight to the case. The defendant, Asante Berko, is a dual citizen of the United States and Ghana. In or about and between July 2014 and March 2016, Berko was employed as an executive director in the investment banking division of subsidiary A of U.S. financial institution. In or about and between December 2014 and March 2016, the relevant time period, Berko was a member of the team at U.S. financial institution that was responsible for securing and managing a deal between U.S. financial institutions' client, Turkish energy company, and the government of the Republic of Ghana to build a power plant in Ghana and to provide financing for the power plant. Turkish Energy Company was a Turkish power production company and a subsidiary of the Turkish holding company, both of which were clients of U.S. financial institution. During the relevant time period, U.S. financial institution owned approximately 16% of the shares of the Turkish Energy Company. Entiera Asante Berko and Omoman a brief background. Ya charges said Diabon no Bakun, Otumi face 20 years, Bakun Otumi 75 years. And Echiremu said between 2014 and 2016, Nasa Asante Berko Eye Jumayeni, Yan was executive director, ever one investment banking division of a subsidiary, Yan ever US Abrichimemu. Na Sabrina Musu now assign a member of a team. Ya no mo US financial institution na omo asudie ni say omo secure no masa manage deal between US financial institution ya no mo client baako a Turkish energy company ya no mo dwuma die ni say omo build the power plant na omo sign pesika ye de build this power plant yento aso. Ghana Consulting Company 1, sana share court in Kreta. Ghana Consulting Company 1 was incorporated under the laws of Ghana and based in Accra, Ghana. It purportedly provided services in the Ghanaian energy and gas sector. These co-conspirators used Ghana Consulting Company 1 to collect funds from Turkish Energy Company for bribes to Ghanaian officials and for payment to themselves. Ghana Consulting Company 2 was also based in Ghana. It was also used by the co-conspirators to collect reimbursement from Turkish Energy Company for bribes paid by the defendant Asante Berko. Co-conspirator 1, co-conspirator 4, and others to Ghanaian officials and to invoice Turkish Energy Company for payment due to Ghana Consulting Company 1. And to almost share that Ghana Consulting Company 1 and more Ghana Consulting Company 2. Yana these two companies in Ghana. Ye baby in Accra, Ghana. And ye told these two companies, and na Asante Berko, na onam so etu to your bribes, and the Ghanaian government officials to secure contract for this Turkish energy company giant in the building and operating of this power plant. Intina quarter label as Ghana Consulting Company 1 and Ghana Consulting Company 2. And I work intermediaries 1, 2, 3, 4. Ya omu nana lazy between Asante Berko and these Ghana Consulting companies to channel these bribes to Ghanaian government officials in this power plant deal. Yabeba omonsusu. Or say, in or about and between December 2014 and March 2016, the defendant Asante Berko with the intent to benefit himself and, at least in part, U.S. financial institutions, among others, conspired with others to make corrupt payment to government officials in Ghana to obtain and retain business from the Republic of Ghana that would benefit the business interests of Asante Berko and his U.S. financial institution, Turkish energy company, and others. Berko and others also conspired to launder money in and through financial systems in the United States and elsewhere to promote their unlawful bribery scheme. These laundered funds were used, among other ways, to pay bribes to obtain and retain business for Berko, his U.S. financial institution, and Turkish energy company. To build the power plant, the Turkish energy company needed to secure a power purchase agreement or emergency power agreement, that is PPA or EPA, with the Republic of Ghana. Securing an emergency power agreement required approvals from certain Ghanaian officials and government entities, including, among other things, the approval and signature of the senior Ghana official, as well as the executive, cabinet, and parliamentary approval. It also required approval from Ghana Grid Company Limited, GRICO, an entity wholly owned by the Republic of Ghana, and the Public Utilities Regulatory Commission, PURC, a Ghanaian regulatory body overseen by the President of Ghana. And the Anchichema no Cheshimuni said, Ansa na sa Turkish company, ebenya tumi edia build this power plant. Now also we enter into agreement. Na sa agreement no, e drew baby a no more friend the power purchase agreement. E drew baby so no more friend emergency power agreement. Na ansa na sa agreement ibedi mu. Ehia say nipa bi ebe mo nsa be hyahye no magya to. Baako eye senior Ghana government official. Ye Ghana man panyini. Mienu